Hi everyone, welcome back. Anyhow, I don't know, I've been having problems with my camera, my microphone wasn't working, and now I'm not too sure if it's going to work. Anyhow, I did a video, and like I said, I did a video a few days ago and it just didn't work out. So anyhow, I'm going to show you what I did do. And I finished the journaling card, so it's in here. I made a pull tab. There you go. Okay. I'm going to show you what I did. Remember when I did this with the embossing powder, but it seems to have picked up color from the background. I guess it wasn't totally dry. I don't know. But yeah, it's not white anymore. It's like different colors, but that's okay. I'm all right with that. It's the other side that I finished on that I finished working on that when I did that other video. So anyhow, what I did do was I had covered. I put another coat of gesso because I could see color in the background from disaster I had before. And then I did old paper. I did a couple of coats of old paper. Okay, that's stress paint. Tim Holtz stress paint. Yeah, Ranger. Okay, and then after that dried, I sprayed it with. I have my coffee sprayer that you've seen me use before, and I just did some coffee dripping in that. Um, and then I did some. Um, I did some. Oh my God! I did some splashes with. Yeah, I did with. I gathered twigs, give it some little spots of color, and then I stamped it. Then I put a stamp here in the corner. That's from Tim Holtz Field Notes. If you can see that. Okay. Yeah. That's Tim Holtz Field Notes. Okay. And then I did a with the oh my God, with the with the soda tins. Well, the beer cans. Okay. With the can, I made a pull tab. Okay, and I used Tim Holtz um die cuts for the here. Okay, it's in here. I used the tab die. Okay, that's what I used. And I cut it from here. I did two because one sort of like didn't turn out, so I had to do it a second time. Okay, just putting that back in there. Okay. Let's put that aside. Anyhow, then what I did was I covered it with alcohol ink and I stamped numbers on it, but the alcohol ink seems to be coming off because what I didn't do was and I should have done, I should have covered it with the tin with clear gesso, but I didn't. But anyhow, it's coming off a bit and the number disappeared, but that doesn't really matter. Okay. Um, then I covered it with, this is, um, this is plexiglass, fiberfill. Fiberfill? Yeah, fiberfill. It's a, fiberfill is a plexiglass. Oh my gosh. I have the container in my recycle bin. Anyhow, it's screen repair kit. It's to repair screens. Okay, it's a tape. So I decided it's since it's not paper, since it's not paper, I covered it. I covered the pull tab with the with the tape, the plexiglass, with the screen. Okay. Oh my gosh. I'm sorry. I don't know. Ah, it's okay. I'm just so, I don't know. It's the humidity has been really bad here, so that's why I'm not at my craft table. Anyhow, then I made I made a hole, okay, and I put a an eyelet, okay, and then I used this is a ball pin and a key, okay. So that's what I did the other day. I hope you like that. So it just perfect. It's perfect in here. So that's it. Journaling card, and it fits right perfect in the pocket. There you go. There. And with the fold. So you can write on this. Okay. And I went around the edges. I used oh my God. I used oh, I used Stays On. Okay, the brown that I have, timber brown, and I went around the edge on this side of the card. Okay. That's what I did the other day. Anyhow, so that's it. And the rest of the week is supposed to be pretty bad as far as the humidity goes. I'm gonna try to get back to my table to continue doing the paper, continue working on this. Um, so this page is finished now. There's a pocket, and so let me know what you think. That's it, guys. Ciao.